How to get GitHub profile link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can get GitHub profile link. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up GitHub. So for that, open up a browser and in the search bar type in github.com and make sure that you are logged into your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, now if you want to get your profile link, head towards the top right corner. There is your profile icon, click on it. Now from this menu bar, click on your profile. Now once you're on your profile page, head towards the web address right here and you have to copy this. After you copy that is your link to your profile. Now if you open a new browser and simply enter the link in the web search bar, there you will see that's gonna land you to your profile page, and that's how you can get your GitHub profile link. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.